This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Harriet Goodove. A must-see. Located on Bayside of Shore Drive and access to beach. 3-story townhome condo with first-floor bedroom and full bath. A 1-car garage with driveway space for additional car. Steps lead to second floor that has expansive open floor plan great room with gas fireplace, hardwood floors, open galley-styled kitchen with granite countertops and updated appliances, gas stove as well as cozy eat-in area that could be used for office as well. The primary bedroom is on the 3rd floor with another bedroom and full bath. Balcony with views of bay. For more information, review the details below.